Hello everyone, welcome to World of Mine. Today we have issue number 16, Build the Eddie Stobart 112 scale. Just to let you know, I have changed the where the tripod is, so hopefully what I've done is I've took it off this mat and put it onto the other unit, so theoretically we shouldn't have that horrible clanging noise in it, because I've clamped it to the I only did that because I moved it. We shouldn't have that noise because it's on this side, not on here, so hopefully I won't know until I play it back. But yeah, so this is issue number 16. As you can see, if we just move that over here, it's very basic, very straightforward. I'll explain why I'm a little bit disappointed with this issue when we get to the end of the video, but as you can see in issue number 16, I think 17's out at the time I'm filming this, but I will pick that up some point next week. But as you can see, we're going to be doing a seat and 2 armrests. Why we can't attach why they haven't, I'll actually tell you now why I'm disappointed. The reason why I'm disappointed is because that and the bottom half of the seat could easily be done in one issue, but for some apparent reason, they are really dragging this build out. And to be fair with you, I don't think it requires 140 issues. You know, they could easily do this in 120 maybe. But yeah, as you can see, the week after that is the passenger seat. So that's quite interesting because that's like a little subframe. It doesn't really have the same frame that we had with the driver's seat, because obviously it just sits, it doesn't have to move about, it just sits there. So yeah, we'll get through this. I don't know how quick this is going to take, but yeah, it's quite a quick issue. Obviously the water, we've established that it's not needed, it's a bit excessive. We don't actually need that. As you can see, we've got the passenger seat here, which is 1601. 1602 is the passenger seat back upholstery. Upholstery is basically just a posh word for, you know, material and that. 1603 is passenger seat back panel, and 1604 and 05 is armrests. Will we get the correct screws this time? It's 1.3 times 4mm PB screws. Let's take a look into the package and see if we've got. I like these little cute packets. They're really cute because they're nice and small. They're not in them horrible clamshell things. So have we got the correct screw? Have we got the correct screw? No, DPO1, but they're the screws that we're going to use. As you can see, they're very thin. So yeah, same sort of scenario again, but this one's quite nice because we get the armrests with it, so it's going to be quite a nice in-depth issue, as you can see there. So we'll put the parts along there like so. This part here is hard, and that part there has got like a spongy sort of effect to it. But the first thing what we need to do is we need to grab this section that we did here, as you can see, and this has got L1 printed in it, so L1. And the next thing what we need to do with this is quite nice because it's got like a little curve effect to it. We need to make sure that these parts here with these little post things at the side fit into the seat like that. But as you can see, as you push it in, you need to tuck it through these little two holes there. So yeah, I don't think the water is necessary in this. It seems to me we can get that on fine, but you know, if we need water assistance, we can do that. We may, a bit nervous about this because I don't want that part there, the corner is very hard to, you know, it could tear it easily. So one side's in okay. As you can see, we don't really need that water. So yeah, a little bit excessive that stage. I know Jay's channel has said that as well, that it's a bit excessive, which to be fair it is. So yeah, that's that part in, as you can see, all tickety-boo. The next stage after that is to put this section here with 4 pegs, which is going to be the seat back panel. We don't actually need to apply glue because it's a push fit connection, and you sort of follow the guide in. So as you can see, it's the rounded part at the top, so that just clicks into place. As you can see, all tickety-boo. But the problem is, as you can see, there's a gap here So again, although we've pushed that all in, we've got all the posts around here, there is a slight gap. As you can see, you could easily peel that over the top like that. If anyone's got a solution for that, do let me know. But yeah, I think the water may be, perhaps the water is something to perhaps tighten it a bit so it grips it, but I'm happy with that. You're not going to see it because it's underneath, but if we have an issue where it keeps, you know, slipping, then we may have to look into gluing that down. Next, what we're going to do is to put the first of the armrests on, as you can see here, and they're near enough both the same. Lovely texture here. We've got, it feels the same sort of material as that seat, but it is got a hard plastic to it, so I suspect it's a bit hard on that. So what we're going to do is this is going to go onto this little post here, and it looks like, so let's have a look here, because yeah, they've got it. Looks like it goes like that, but they've got it like that. A little bit confused here, just bear with me. Bear with. My friend says that, it's pretty good. So they've got this, oh I see, so it, right. Hang on, I want to get this straight. So it goes, right, that's what the confusion is. We need to make sure that these little post parts are facing down. Right, that's what it is. Okay, cool. So as you can see, it is very directional, because you've got like a little indentation there, and then the other side is flat. And then obviously if you look on there, you've got an L on there which marks left and right. So left would go on perhaps this side, and then right on the other side, but it depends what hand you write with. So I mean, I'm right-handed, but I'm finding that this left side is fitting easier on this side, so yeah, I'm going to put that there. I think I'll just test this first. Just want to make sure that I've got, yeah, that works fine. Okay, so these are the little screws that we're going to be using. DP01 apparently, so yeah, the little buggers. Yeah, so I think, to be fair with you, I think the screw's correct, but the actual magazine is the one that has the typo in it. So yeah, I think that's probably what that's what the case is. So as you can see, I'm going to put that in there. This could be a little bit tricky to get this in because we've got to get this over, but hold it at the same time. This is where I need them octopus hands. That little device thing that I've got. You little bugger, look at that. I hate it when it does that. I think this must be the second pre-recorded video, because obviously I normally do this live, but because it's all a bit how are we going to get this in, because this is going to keep doing this. Yeah, it's all a bit roundabout. Oh, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Oh, I don't like tricky bits. This is going to cause me, this is going to wind me up now. If the screw stayed on the thing, it'd be fine, but it's so small, it's this is what really annoys me. Let me try taking this down a notch. Let's try. I don't think I've got a smaller screwdriver than this. Let's try the Iron Man. I mean, that's a little bit big, but it might do the trick. That's the magnetizer there. So yeah, this is the ultimate test to see if this tripod makes that horrible noise. Hopefully it's fixed it. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There we go. Lovely. Now it will be a bit loose until obviously we tighten it up, but obviously I think that'll do me. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, I'm using my thumb here to stop that, you know, flipping left and right like a window wiper, so it just gives it a bit of resistance. And then as you can see, we can move it up or we can move it down like that, if you wanted to up like that. So that's pretty good, I'm happy with that. Now we can just do the other side as well here. So yeah. So the key for this is if your screw it keeps flipping off or it keeps moving off, it's because one or two things. Your screwdriver head is too big, or basically you need to magnetise the screwdriver. So come on. Screw doesn't like it for some apparent reason. All I can hear is the Keir Starman in the background there. I like him, he's alright, you know, he's really good at what he does. I don't think Boris has a clue what he's doing, I'm sorry, but, you know, he just doesn't seem to know what he's doing. It's just, you know, one minute we're wearing masks, next minute we're not. I mean, today there was something on Google that I read saying that face masks are now dropped again. So, do you see what I mean? Like, one minute we're wearing them, and then the next minute we're not wearing them, and it's just so annoying. Like, he can't seem to run the country very good. But I do agree. I think you should resign. I'm sorry, but get the Keir Starman in. So yeah. Okay, so that's that issue done. So yeah, again, very quick issue. I think, to be fair with you, I think it's a lovely issue, but the problem is we're going to have constant issues where it's just going to drag and drag and drag. I mean, I can't understand why we can't put the seat, you know, they could have easily given us the seat at the bottom half and then we could have had that issue done. But to be fair, how many bits did we get? We got this bit 1, the little bit that went inside 2, 3, 4, 5. So, yeah, yeah, maybe. But yeah, that's it, that done. So we've now got, I had a YouTuber ask me why we didn't do the armrests. So that person who's asking that question, this is issue 16. So this is the issue that you put the armrests on, okay? I mean, to be fair with you, how many times are you going to go like that and then put it down again? Mine will just stay like that. I'm quite happy with that. It's very, very interesting that the driver's seat doesn't have the armrests, yet the passenger seat does. So Rackety, if you're watching, or Fleetwood J, or you know, anyone who's building this, if you can let me know why that is, because I don't recall putting them on the driver's seat, unless we do that in a late stage. But as you can see, there's a little contact point here, so we'll be attaching something to it in a future issue. So that is issue number 16 done. As I said, issue number 17 is, according to my calendar, should be in on either Tuesday or Wednesday this week. Actually, that's past now, so yeah, it should have been in today because I'm recording this like a week behind. I'm so behind on everything. But yeah, so we should be able to. What I might do is do a double next week if we're going to have another issue where it's. I'll see what 18 is, and then I'll see if we may. What I mean is we may do 17 and 18 together just to catch it up because we are running a week behind. But anyway, let me know what you think. That's issue number 16 of Build Your Own Edit Stobart, brought to you by Hachette Partworks. Hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember, if you want to become a ding dong, please tap the ring a ding dong bell where you'll be notified of all the videos I do. And just before I go, I have now got the wood glue ready for the Wasser. So I hope you like that. Take care and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Whoops. I think I covered that then. Take care, guys.